A single broken mirror can shatter into thousands of pieces, making it nearly impossible to clean. But what if you could fix it with just a few simple DIY techniques? Broken mirrors are a common household problem, and traditional methods often involve replacing the entire glass. But this approach is not only costly, but also environmentally unfriendly. The good news is that with a few basic tools and some simple DIY techniques, you can fix a broken mirror and breathe new life into it. The process of fixing a broken mirror may seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward and can be completed in a matter of minutes. To begin, you'll need a few basic materials, including a mirror repair kit, a pair of gloves, and a cleaning cloth. The mirror repair kit typically includes a special adhesive, a frame repair compound, and a set of instructions. Before you start the repair process, make sure to clean the mirror thoroughly to remove any debris or dust that may be present. This will ensure that the adhesive and frame repair compound stick properly to the mirror and surrounding frame. Next, apply a small amount of adhesive to the broken area and gently press the pieces back together. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe away any excess adhesive and ensure that the pieces are secure. If the break is particularly large or the mirror is old, you may need to use the frame repair compound to reinforce the surrounding area. This will provide additional support and help to prevent further damage to the mirror. Once the adhesive and frame repair compound have dried, your mirror should be good as new. But that's not the strangest part. Some people use a combination of glue, tape, and a blowtorch to fix their mirrors. It's like trying to hold water in your hands. No matter how hard you try, the water will eventually escape. And then something unexpected happened. A woman from Russia claimed to have fixed her mirror using nothing but a handful of honey and a warm breeze. Scientists have discovered that certain types of honey possess unique adhesive properties that can be used to repair broken glass. This phenomenon occurs when the honey is heated to a certain temperature, causing the molecules to bond together and form a strong adhesive. In 1969, when humans first landed on the moon, they discovered that the lunar surface was covered in a fine layer of glass particles. These particles were formed when meteorites crashed into the moon's surface, causing the glass to shatter and scatter. This experience has taught us that even the most fragile and delicate objects can be repaired and restored with the right techniques and materials. Imagine being able to fix a broken mirror with nothing but a few simple tools and some basic knowledge. It's like having a superpower that allows you to transform broken objects into beautiful works of art. But what if you could take it a step further and create a mirror that is not only beautiful but also sustainable and eco-friendly? This is where the concept of upcycling comes in, taking old and broken objects and turning them into something new and valuable. For centuries, humans have been using upcycling techniques to create beautiful and functional objects from discarded materials. The possibilities are endless, and with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can turn your broken mirror into a stunning piece of art. So the next time you see a broken mirror, don't throw it away. Try fixing it with a few simple DIY techniques and see what you can create. You'll be amazed at the results and may just discover a new hobby or passion. And if you're feeling adventurous, try using some of the more unusual materials and techniques to create a truly one-of-a-kind mirror. The possibilities are endless, and with a little patience and practice, you can create a beautiful and functional mirror that will last for years to come. But remember, the key to success lies in the details. So make sure to take your time and follow the instructions carefully. With a little bit of creativity and some basic DIY skills, you can turn your broken mirror into a stunning piece of art. And who knows, you may just discover a new passion or hobby along the way. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and start fixing those broken mirrors. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and creative ideas. Like and comment below with your favorite DIY project or creative idea. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and creative ideas.